What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Extreme Daily Drivers. Today, we are going to be installing a new steering wheel and shift knob.
Yeah.
How long have we had this steering wheel for?
About 2 years.
Yeah, literally it's like one of the first things we ever purchased for the car, right?
Yeah, it's been sitting inside.
But Miata's at the Gap is right around the corner.
Yeah.
And we're in the process of removing this wheel. Did you get any of the bolts off?
I have not.
All right, Kelly is gonna work on 4 10mm. We got our battery disconnected, and can we just talk for a second about how hard it is to get to this battery and disconnect it? Oh my God, it's like an act of God. You need like 16 wrenches in order to get this thing to a point where you can actually disconnect it. Thank you, Miata. Anyway, moving on. We're getting rid of this ratty old wheel. We got a couple things already moved, including the gauge hood and then the little piece of plastic that goes around the stalks there. And they're 4 10mm. Kelly is having trouble removing. I loosened them. She should be able to get them easy. We'll have it off in a minute. All right, so while Kelly's messing with the wheel, let me show you what we're going to be installing. This awesome looking guy is from NRG. Does have a little bit of a dish to it. Check it out. This is microfiber and it is blue. It's not perfect match, but man, it's close enough. We're super excited to install this. I got this for Kelly for like Christmas for like 2 years ago, man. So we've had this forever. And this is the mount I got. Check out how sleek this thing is. It is not a quick release mount. We didn't want a quick release mount. And it's nice and slim. So it's a super nice built aluminum piece. It bolts up to our steering wheel. The question is whether or not it'll bolt up to the Miata. I bought this a really long time ago, and I actually did a ton of research when I bought it, but I really don't know much more about it. I haven't looked that up in a long time, so hopefully this guy's gonna bolt right on. But this is what's going on, man. It's gonna look sick.
Winner.
All right, you got those bolts off?
Winner.
Okay, so let's see if the middle comes out.
What middle?
The airbag.
This?
Yeah. All right. There's gonna be something connected to it, okay? So don't let that thing blow up now.
No, come on. I'm scared.
We gotta disconnect it.
Oh.
Believe me, turning your head is not going to be enough if that goes off.
Can I leave the area?
Click the orange.
Do I have to do this?
Yeah, you just push down the little tab there and things should come right out, man.
I really don't want this to go up.
There we go. It'll be fine.
So what do I do?
The orange tab. You got to look to see what you're doing. Oh, maybe you're supposed to do blue first.
Oh, come on.
Just teasing. It doesn't matter. Just go ahead and unhook it. Stop playing games with it. Just unhook the thing.
I'm scared.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right.
All right, you got it.
Yeah.
Took one for the team.
This looks like.
So the orange comes off, and then the blue.
Take
Nice
this
job.
bomb.
No, I don't want to touch it.
And go give it to the neighbor.
I'm gonna go throw
Tell
it
him it's a gift.
I'm gonna throw it in the garbage can.
All right, now we gotta get this nut off. I think it's 19mm. That's what it looks like.
What are these?
Those are grounds for the horn.
Oh,
Beep,
okay.
beep, 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 beep. Yeah, we'll grab a wrench and get that guy off. All right, it's 21, not 19. I just gently put this on there, and it felt like it wasn't tight at all. Let's see.
Oh, so the steering wheel's been barely on.
Why has it been barely on? It's not something that comes loose on its own. I mean, normally you have to get a pretty serious wrench out to remove this nut. Not on our Miata.
No, it's already loose.
It's already loose. So I mean, it's worse. It could be rusted on. All right. So now, normally, you need to get people use a steering wheel puller to pull this off. I've never used one of those.
Do we have one?
No. You don't need a steering wheel puller. I'm the steering wheel puller.
You sure are.
Normally, you just rock it back and forth.
It should come off knowing this car. Everything's been so easy.
Probably won't come off at all now.
No, I don't think it will. It doesn't even look like it's loose.
It doesn't.
Okay.
All right, this thing's close. Super important. Make sure your steering wheel is straight, because we're going to be reinstalling a new wheel. If the splines are all off, your steering wheel won't be centered. So this guy's close. He's getting there. Get tired.
Come on. got it. You just had to give it a little.
This is the hardest I've ever had to work to get a steering wheel off, by the way. I should have probably had a mouthpiece on, but we got this piece of crap off. Oh. Now, do you think the new one will fit?
Oh gosh. I hope so.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Okay, cool. All right. I guess it goes on upside down. I thought the little emblem would want to be up, but. All right, we got the arrows.
It's looking better already.
It does, right? Oh. We're buttoning this guy up, man. It was a total pain in the butt. Probably because the installers didn't really read any kind of directions online, and we had just done this before, so we thought it would just go easily. But that wasn't the case today. But we got it on.
Also, we wanted to get the horn working too, so that was
Yeah,
extra.
that was new information for us. We had to learn how to make the horn work. The horn does work. I don't have the battery hooked up at the moment, but the horn does work. You have to take my word for it. And it is literally, it's over 100 degrees in this garage. There's no doubt about it. So it's not a great day to be doing this today, but we are securing our little screws, and we're about to wrap this up and show you guys a shift knob that we got, because I know shift knobs really aren't all that exciting typically, but this one is exciting. So you'll be excited to see it. So a couple more turns of this and this will be finished, and we'll show you the shift knob. All right, shift knob time. This should be easy, but believe it or not, there's actually, we had to watch a video on how to install this.
Yeah. So this is actually really cool because it's like, I think,
It's a magnet, right?
yeah, it's a magnet. It's like opening up a box of jewelry.
Yeah, it's super sick, man. This is like the nicest shift knob of all time.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, so it comes with just a little background and then a little QR code, so you can go on and read specific instructions to your shift knob, because you're going to need that.
Yeah, we did.
Also a YouTube video, which is very helpful. So don't throw that away. And it comes with an adapter, because not all shift knobs are created equal for your car, apparently. Who knew? And
check it
look
out.
at this.
Sick.
I mean, it's
I wish
like,
it was sunnier out at the moment
I
so we could
know.
actually see this thing, but
look
dude,
how nice.
this thing is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it matches really nicely back to the car. It's not like over the top or anything. It's just a nice little.
It has a weight to
Yeah,
it
it's
too.
weighty.
It's not a pound or anything like that, but it's probably a little over half of a pound. So when I purchased this, I actually wanted it to weigh the exact same weight as the stock one, and this comes super close. So anyway, let's go through the process of getting this thing on.
Yeah, let's do it. We already watched the YouTube video, so we should be good to go.
Should be straightforward. So what's the first thing that we do?
So we need to actually put this little adapter on.
Yeah, let's go put it on. You put it on.
So
That
essentially,
stays in that little
stays
guy.
in? Okay.
Yeah.
So essentially, this should just.
Yeah. They say to use Loctite, but dude, you don't need to put Loctite. I don't think we need to put Loctite on there.
What does Loctite do? Just.
It's
kinda
like glue,
glue. Oh, okay.
so that it won't move.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe we do. I don't know. All right, now we're gonna need a 15mm wrench. Let me grab one. A little bit more. Okay. Oh, dude, it looks sick.
Yeah, look at that.
Is
Holy
it screwing
cow.
on nice?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice.
Dude, it thing is beefy. So check it out. They make little booties that will hold your shift boot up. And initially I didn't think we needed one of those. It's like a little collar they make. But now I'm thinking I might like one. I didn't think you'd be able to see it with the way this boot is. But maybe we should get one.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea because it kind of falls down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why it falls. It may just be that way right now because it's just relaxed. But we also don't have it 100% on because I'm still on the fence about the thread locker. I just never use thread locker, so to use it is like something I just never do. But yeah, man, this thing is sick. This thing is sick. So the way, let me take this off for a second. Some of these shift knobs you can get, you know, with a shift pattern up top. And if you guys have ever installed a shift knob, you know that sometimes it doesn't always line up right. And that's what this little guy does. You can tighten and loosen this, and as a result, you're switching the location or the orientation of the knob. So that's how this all works. All right, guys, comment below. What do you think of our blue accents? We got that knob dialed in. We did not use the Loctite. Yeah, I know. I just don't like Loctite. But that thing's solid, man. Super nice to shift. I think we should get the collar.
Yeah, it kind of looks a little slouchy here.
It does. It looks a little slouchy. Kelly's right. We'll get the collar, dial it in a little bit more. It's like another 25 bucks, but it'll be worth it. It'll look sick, nice and clean like that. So yeah, anyway, guys, it was hot today, man. It was hot. It was brutal. It's about to pour. We start thunder in the background. Clouds are getting dark. These summer days in the garage are no fun. If you're at your house and you're in the garage in summertime, you're not alone. Yeah. We feel your sweat.
Honestly, last year at this time, we were doing like the bulk of the work on the car with the transmission and all that, like the heavy stuff we were doing in this heat. So it's amazing.
Yeah, I'm so glad it's over with.
Yeah. Yeah, just coming out here now, you're like, all right, forget it.
So anyway, we're like a week away now from Tail of the Dragon.
Yeah,
we got
a little over, yeah.
A couple more little odds and ends to take care of the car. I don't know if there are going to be videos on it, but we will be doing a video of our trip to the Dragon.
Yeah, absolutely.
And all the awesome
stream too.
Oh yeah, we should definitely do that. That's a good point. So if you're going to the Dragon, once again, let us know. We'd love to meet you up there. And that's it, man. We're going to be delivering a rad car. So
yeah, excited about
we're
it.
Proud of it, right?
Yeah,
I mean, all the hard work we did.
It's amazing. Love it.
Everyone who's seen it so far in person, they feel the same way. They say it's sick. So
everybody's excited about it.
We're happy to hear that. Anyway, guys, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, Tail of the Dragon coming soon.
Coming soon.
Stay tuned, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.